Welcome to this video on SAP Business One Quality Management. Learn how to reduce defects, improve product quality, and build a smarter manufacturing process for your business. Quality control without visibility is a losing battle. Issues like defective products, high rework rates, and inefficient manual inspections create significant waste and damage your reputation. Isolated defects can trigger cascading business failures. From production delays to customer complaints and warranty claims, these issues quickly inflate costs and erode trust. Transition from reactive silos to integrated intelligence. SAP Business One connects your operations, allowing for real-time data capture, proactive issue detection, and better decision-making. The 5 pillars of precision are at the heart of our solution. We integrate batch traceability, inventory control, and supplier monitoring to make quality a core part of your process. Pinpoint any product across its entire lifecycle. With instant batch and serial number tracking, you can simplify recalls, improve customer confidence, and ensure regulatory compliance. Expose invisible bottlenecks on the factory floor. Monitor material consumption and work order status in real time to reduce production errors and improve consistency. Secure your inputs to guarantee your outputs. By connecting purchasing and inventory directly, you maintain total accuracy throughout your production workflow. Hold suppliers accountable with uncompromising data. Monitor their performance using historical purchasing data to ensure higher material quality and fewer defects. Replace assumptions with real-time operational intelligence. Use dashboards and reports to monitor production performance and support continuous improvement. See how the system transforms a typical automotive defect scenario from a cycle of friction and delay into a process of speed and connection. Enjoy precision quality control across every manufacturing vertical, from electronics to food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, and beyond. Transform your manufacturing with Kabeer Consulting Group. We provide the expertise you need for a successful implementation. Contact us today for a free demo and consultation.